Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. So we're going to make a banner tonight. What I'm doing is I had a pack of these from Dollar Tree, wood stocking cutouts. And I have this pad of scrapbook or cardstock paper. And then I have these metal tags from Dollar Tree also. And I have these little Santas. They're like cardstock Santas from Hobby Lobby. So with this, I just put Mod Podge on the back of the Santas and stuck it to the metal tag. Okay. So I'm just putting that on there. Just like that. I got a little piece of twine, and then I have my stocking, and I already traced it onto the back of the cardstock, and so I just have to cut it out. So just you're just going to put some Mod Podge up to right here. You don't want to do the top of the stocking yet. And then just stick your cardstock to it. Just like that. Then for the top of this, you're just going to put some Mod Podge again on the top. And I have the fake snow from Dollar Tree. And just sprinkle that on the top. I'm going to put my little piece of twine through here. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to tie these to a piece of twine, jute, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just tying these on here. This is it. Isn't that cute, y'all?